still a brain. And don't say why I have this pandito pomprito, because I wanna go to max brain to have. Right now I am 35 out of 48 and I'm okay, I don't really want. Anyways. What? Why did I teleport there? Why am I teleporting? Bruh. Okay, and we're gonna wait, and I hope we get something good like Cogofanto Elefanto, Anclito Samito, Tralalero Tralala, something like these brain rats. And guys, we're almost at 30 billion. Is that too much? I don't know. I hope it is. And look, on the next video, I'm gonna do a smart rebirth that you could try. Not saying it on the next video. I hit it 30 billion. Oh, there's a burbaloni lulilol. But he sucks, obviously. And why am I teleporting? Am I lagging or? Okay, so sorry, please don't report me for that. Wait, you can actually say, what am I saying right now with my life? Ooh, good Lionel Cactuselli. Definitely not getting that. I want a brain rot god. Oh, sometimes Nubini Bitanini, I say him drip to the max. Just for fun. Oh, there's a drip to the max. Oh, drip to the max. Tung 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 sahur. Why are we serious? I want to tell you guys something. You definitely know Team Cheese on Still a Brain Rot, right? Team Cheese, actually my friend made him. He made him send him to the owner of Still a Brain Rot, and the owner of Still a Brain Rot put him in the game. But I want something good. If it's like Bombardilo, Crocodilo, I'm okay. Let's sit here and wait for 3 minutes. Padabim, trippy troppy. Liri lari la. Petrocello, limoncello, patapin. I want something good. Everything organics. Bro, my leg sucks and I'm lagging. Okay, I'm teleporting, so I'm resetting to go to my base. Why am I lagging that hard? Bro, why am I lagging right now? Oh yeah, in 1 minute we get a mythic. I just stop the video there, okay? Guys, look, I almost got every brain rot. But what is this one? This one I know what it is, Mateo. That I don't know, La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. There's a freaking chimpanzini bananini. Literally, larila. Tal patifero. Guys, should I say you what I hope to get? I hope to get like a gold bombardilo crocodilo, bombombini, something like that. If I get a frigo camelo, my luck sucks too hard. The legendary is gold blueberry and octopus in the end. That is a frigo camelo. Wait, I'm gonna give it to one of you guys. Whoever comments first, I'm gonna give it to this guy. Congratulations for the guy that comment first. Goodbye.